Okay, now opposite sides I told all equal, students. You can take L and B, length and breadth. If not, we'll take X and Y. Okay, let us take X and Y and solve. Look, the area of the rectangle. See, area. What is area formula I told? Length into breadth. We'll do one thing. Instead of length into breadth, I'll take it as X into Y. Okay, length I'll take it as X, breadth I'll take it as Y, X. So area will become length into breadth is what? X into, yes, keep this as it is. Next, what they have told, the area of a rectangle is reduced by 9 centimeter. So this is area. This is reduced by 9 square units. When does it reduce? If the length is reduced by how much? Yeah. When does it reduce? If the length is reduced by 5 units, which means length is x minus 5. Okay, keep this as it is. Next, and its breadth is increased by, so breadth is y, increase meaning is plus 3. Fine. So I'll write the area of a rectangle gets reduced. See, this is area formula. Area gets reduced. Mute the call. Why is there echo? Mute the call, all three of you. Mute the call, Joel. See, area is getting reduced by 9 square if its length is reduced. Okay, and breadth is increased by 3. This area is getting reduced because of this value, x minus 5 and y plus 3. This reduction, okay, this reduction is equal to 9. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 if the length is reduced by 5 and breadth is increased by 3. Okay, this difference, students, because of this difference, the area is getting reduced by 9. This is the first equation. All these are tough questions. I don't know why they have given. You don't even get this for 10th standard. Okay, look at the second equation. However, if the length of the rectangle is what? Length of the response, second line. If the length of the rectangle is increased by 3, length is x here. Look at x is length, y is breadth. If the length is increased by 3, meaning x plus 3, and the breadth is decreased by, and no, both are increased, right? Increased by 3 units, and the breadth by 2 units. X plus y plus breadth is y plus 2. The area increases by how much? Area increases by 67. So for second equation, area is increased by 67. See, because of this change in value, concentrate here. Because of this change in value, area is xy. Area is increased by how much? 67. Square unit just ignore, write it as 67. These are the two equations. First, go through the equation. Go through the question first. Area is decreased because of change. So you have to minus it. First equation. In second one, area is increased, so you have to add it. Done. I will return the equation. So you have to practice this too. What problems are tough? Okay, if you're feeling it tough, then you have to skip this. Just go through quadratic and become thorough with other chapters. Okay. So look here. Let me open the bracket x minus y. This first take x in bracket y plus 3. See here, I'll teach you this calculation. X minus y plus 3. This x should get multiplied with y first and 3 next. What is x into y? Look here, x into y is xy. Then again multiply x with plus 3. You get plus 3x. Next, minus y with minus 5y. Then this minus 5 with plus 3. Minus into plus is minus. 5 threes are, you just multiply the signs. This is what you get, is equal to 9. Now when you open the bracket, x minus y minus c, this minus should get multiplied with everything. Minus into plus is 3x. Next, 5y plus is equal to 9. Plus xy minus xy gets cancelled. So you have minus 3x plus 5y. This 15 shifted to the other side. 9 minus 15. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. So minus 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 6. First equation. Complete this. Then try the second equation. Same way, open the bracket. Try to solve it. Okay, what do you get here, students? When you multiply x with both, you get plus. Or if you look at the screen, No, no, xy plus, see, complete with both. X with both. 2x plus this 3 with both. Plus. Plus into plus is plus. 3 twos are xy plus xy plus 2x plus 3y. 6 goes to the other side, right? No, no, 1 minute. Because xy should get cancelled. No, no, not second equation is not like this. Just a minute. However, if the length is increased by 3, the area increased. Area is increased. Okay, for the first one, was it increase or decrease? For the first one, area was increased or decreased? Okay, respond. For the first one, was area increased or decreased? Reduced, right? See, whenever the word reduced is given, students, reduce meaning is decrease. Whenever reduce is given, see, do it like this. Take mute the call, Joe, when there is echo. When you unmute. Whenever reduce is given, take area and subtract it. Look at the yellow one. Take area and subtract it. What was given in the second one? However, if the length of rectangle is increases by 3, x plus 3, and the breadth also increases by how much? 2, 2 units. Then the area increases or decreases? Yes, area increases by how much? 67. So whenever area increases is given, first put this x plus 3, y plus 2. Okay, then put minus xy. See, look at the difference between these two. Is equal to how much? Is equal to 67, right? 67. See, make a note of this. This is when area is increased. Whenever increase is given, put minus xy in the last. Whenever decrease is given, what do you do? Put xy in the beginning and put xy minus. Now when you open the bracket here, what do you get? X into y plus 2x plus 3y plus 3 twos are 6 minus xy is equals to 67. These two gets cancelled. 2x plus 3y is equals to 6 goes to the other side. What do you all get? 67 minus 6 is, make a note of this. And mention if area is decreased, xy should be first. If area is increased, xy should be in the last. Okay, solve both the equations now. This is first equation, second. Solve the equation. Which one shall we eliminate? There is minus. Shall we eliminate 3? Yeah, eliminate 3 stones. Be quick. Okay, try this later. Find x and y. Shall we do the next one? Or complete it? Be quick. Okay, let me check. What about Vishut? Done? 181. 1, sorry, 180, 183 is greater, so the answer is 171. How many times y goes in 171? If we reduce, we get 9. So y is equal to 9. Let me take any one equation. You can take this equation. Minus 3x 45 plus 45 goes to the other side becomes, look, minus into minus is plus, you have to add minus 51. Then minus 3x, see, 1 minute. Before 3 and x there is no sign, so it is multiplication, which means you have to divide 3 along with that minus. Minus and minus gets cancelled, x is equal. We need to find what? Length and breadth. Length is what? We took x as length, right? Length is 7. What is y? Breadth is equals to 9 centimeter. What do we need to find here? Find the dimension of the rectangle. These are the dimension. Length is 17, breadth is 9. Because dimension, if you want, you find area. What is area formula here? Length into breadth. So 9 into 17. Multiply this. Okay. Just find length, breadth, and area. 153. See, these word problems. First, we have to complete other chapter, students. Only then we can solve. I don't know why they've given it directly. Completed. Shall we do the next one? Okay, we'll see. A part of monthly expense of family is considered the number of. See, sixth one for now we'll skip this student. Sixth one because it's a time and distance question. Okay, for now just keep that pending. So first five questions you'll practice. We'll try the seventh. A part of monthly expense of a family is constant, and the remaining varies with the number of family members. For a family of four-person, the total monthly expense is 10,400. Whereas for a family of seven, the total monthly expense is 15,800. A part of monthly expense is constant, remaining vary the number of members. For a family of four members, the total expense. Okay, just practice 1 to 5 question. All these are too lengthy questions, and you'll definitely get confused. Before the exam, I'll teach all students. Okay, so you'll just remind me 1 day, 1 or 2 days before your test, or 3 4 days before your test. I'll teach all this. Keep entire thing pending. When you do it now, you'll definitely will forget. So from this, just practice 3 questions. Try the fourth one, all of you, because we have almost done all the type of questions are covered. Try this question. The denominators are same or different? Different is equals to 12, and second equation is 3x plus 2 by 2. This is the fourth question is equal to 30. Try this, take LCM. All of you know how to solve this, right? Erin, Vishruth, Jovin. Because we'll try one question like this, and you'll revise. Monday we'll start new chapter. What's the LCM? 7 threes are, first multiply. 7 threes are 21. Then multiply 3 to the other side. 3 into right hand bracket. 2x plus 1, and here plus 7 into. Is this clear? Then what happens to 21? It goes to the other side. Open the bracket. Do the same for this one. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Do the same. Outcome 6.6. What about others done? Okay, complete this for homework students. See, for this week, no test. I'll be giving you this. Look here. All of you look at the screen. Fourth question. You have to do and send me the fourth one. Can you see the seventh one? Fourth, seventh, and one decimal question. Ninth one. Make a note. 479. Don't copy. If you're copying, it's left up to you all. Okay, I'm not going to check whether you're copied or did it on your own. Is it clear? Complete 479. Even if you're not getting, try doing it and send it. Don't just copy paste and send it. That will reflect your marks. Okay, 2 months you all studied, and the way you all studied shows in your unit test. So if the same mistake you're doing it, students, same copying, not doing homework or not doing test, left up to you all. You all will score the same marks in midterm. Okay, so I can't help. All I can do is teach.